I'm just gonna place you on here. Notice I always flip like all of my hair to one side, and I don't know why I do that. Looks weird. Good morning, guys. So today I actually had a plan to film a productive morning routine. I was gonna wake up at 6. I was gonna get a whole bunch of stuff done, but now it's 9:03. No, 9:05. Now it's 9:05, so that clearly didn't happen. I do have a lot to get done today, but I was kind of like, well, I didn't wake up on time, so I might as well just rush to get everything done, and I won't be able to film the video today. But I thought I would still bring you through my morning and show you guys the tips that I have for when you thought you were gonna have a really productive day and you have to have a very productive day, but you're just not feeling it. Today's question of the day will be, do you like these more vlog style videos that I've been doing? Let me know. Okay, so we're backtracking like 20-25 minutes where I'm lying in bed refusing to wake up. Imagine that's what's currently happening. I would say that my #1 tip if you're lying in bed trying to figure out how to give yourself that push to get out of bed would be to think about how you're going to feel if you don't get what you need to get done. So say it's a test that you have to take, or a test that you have to study for, and you want to get out of bed early before school to go study for it. Imagine yourself sitting at the desk trying to take the test, thinking about how much you wish you had studied because you don't know any of the answers. For me this morning, what I'm gonna have to do after this is go upload my Q&A. I have to fill out some forms for my realtor, which it's a little, well, actually, if you saw my Q&A, then you already know a little bit about that. But if you haven't seen the Q&A, I'll have it linked down below. I thought about, if I don't do those things, how am I going to feel in the, afterwards? Probably not very good. So that was the little push I needed to get out of bed and get it done. Now I'm gonna reenact me getting out of bed. Sort of. This is me getting out of bed, but I was wearing PJs before, now I'm not. Which has to do with our next tip. Okay, so my next tip is to put on an actual outfit. I don't have anywhere to be until like 12:30 today, but I still have stuff I have to get done, and I could easily do it in my pajamas, but I decided to put on a cute little outfit because that's going to keep me a lot more motivated and make me feel a lot more productive. Also, it's always a good idea to do at least one productive thing before you even leave your bedroom. For my case, I'm gonna make my bed so that it's made. Remote chopped. We made it to the couch. So the next thing that's really important to remember is if you do wake up late, you might have to make some sacrifices in your routine. So I wanted to come downstairs, have some water, have some coffee, then make a protein shake. But I have to get this stuff done. I have to send out my email to my realtor, and I have to upload my video, and those are things that it's already 9:20 in the morning, and I should have had these pretty much done by now. So just remember to still prioritize those tasks that need to get done. I feel like that sounds like I'm saying breakfast isn't important, which is not true, but I hope you get what I'm saying. Like, I have to send this email out, so I have to do this, and then I'll go make breakfast. Did Ricky, did I go fall? Oh, your pod tastes good.
Of course, if you're running late, you may have to resort to a grab and go breakfast, but this is one of my current go-to breakfasts that doesn't take too long. For the smoothie, I am just taking some frozen berries, a banana, and I always prefer to stick with water for my shakes, but of course you can do almond milk or whatever liquid you prefer. And then if I had spinach, I'd also add that. We just ran out. And then I am adding some vanilla protein powder to get a nice big serving of protein in the morning, mixing it up, and then moving on to the second part of my breakfast. I took 2 low sodium rice cakes and then spread some peanut butter on those. Of course, you can use any sort of nut butter you want. And then my favorite part is I sprinkled on some cinnamon, some flax seeds, and some chia seeds. This is super, super healthy and nutritious, but it's also really, really delicious. And does this not turn out to be the cutest breakfast? They say you eat with your eyes, so I thought I'd add some blueberries to make like a little smiley face. The blueberries are healthy, they're tasty, and it makes it look so cute. So this is my final breakfast, and I definitely recommend you trying it out.
Is this not... Shoot. It's not the cutest breakfast ever. It's also super duper yummy though. Finished the rice cakes, and now I'm just finishing up my smoothie while I edit the thumbnail for my YouTube video because it just finished uploading. So as soon as I get this, ignore my mom making noise with the pots. So I uploaded my video. It is now live. I talk about a whole bunch of different things that you guys want to know because it was a Q&A and I answered your questions. But for right now, I am going to put some makeup on my face and I'm going to watch The Office while I do this because it's my second favorite show after New Girl. Hi, so my makeup is done and now I'm sitting in front of my mirror right here. I got my whole little hair set up. Hey guys, I'm all ready. I'm about to head out. I'm looking at a few houses. I'm super excited. I'll let you know how it goes. Doesn't it kind of look like I cut my hair? But I didn't. It's still just as long. My dress is from TJ Maxx. Hey guys, so don't mind my hair. I don't know what just happened, but I just got back from my tours of the houses and we saw 7 different places, I want to say, and 2 of them stuck out to me. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm trying not to get too excited because, you know, you never know what's gonna happen. But right now, I'm happy. Look. Hi, Xiao. Hi, Xiao. Hi, Xiao. Hi, Xiao. Can I come close to you with the camera? The camera. Oh, nope, guess not. Hey guys, it's Kat coming to you from my bed. So today was actually a really productive day, and although it didn't necessarily start off like that, and I was a little disappointed with myself when I first woke up because I woke up 2.5 hours late, and I definitely did not have as much time to get everything done that I wanted to, but I still got everything on my to-do list done. So I hope that this shows you guys that even if you wake up late or you get off to a bad start for your day, it is totally possible to turn that around and still be productive and get stuff done and have a good day. If you watched till this part, comment birthday balloon. I'm looking at the birthday balloon that my sister got me for my birthday. It's like still all the way up there. Random, I know. Comment birthday balloon if you watched till this part. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.